Welcome back, fellow car enthusiasts, to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary. In today's episode, I got 10 vital yet quick car care tips you don't want to miss. So stay tuned, guys. Let's jump in it.
You're looking at your vehicle wanting to know if you need new tires, but you don't know the correct size and you don't want it to look like that? Walk over to your driver's side door seal and look at the vehicle information placard. On here, you will find the correct tire size to prevent any rim damage. Using the incorrect tire size can cause rim damage, so watch out for that. Smash that subscribe button for daily auto here on the channel. Mechanic tip of the day. Are you looking at your tires wanting to know if you need new tires? Why don't you use the penny test? Take a penny, flip Lincoln upside down, and if you see all of Lincoln's head, you need new tires. Smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for daily auto here on the channel. Did you know washing your vehicle regularly is a great preventive measure of faded clear coat? Without the washing, waxing, and polishing, your clear coat is subject to all the harsh elements out there. Prevent that today. Smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for daily auto here on the channel. Do you have $1,000 and you don't know what to do with it? Here, go on Facebook Marketplace, look for a vehicle that I have done major repairs on, like the Jeep Grand Cherokee here that you can pick up for $800, but I know the guy would take $500 probably. This is a nice vehicle. Even though it's the V6 model, it still goes for around $4,000. This is on Kelley Blue Book. As you can see, it goes up to $3,750. You invest $1,000, make about $3,500 on the deal. There you go, money in the bank. Roll it into the next flip. Subscribe and save with us. Hey guys, I'm really excited about this new kit we just got in from Orion Motor Tech, and if you're a mechanic, you should be too. This kit is money in a bag right here, coming with the vacuum pump, the manifold gauges, and a leak detector, making all those AC troubleshooting problems easy to get done. So I was browsing through the automotive technology book. I noticed under companies, if you see under Honda Motor Company, it says common brands, Honda and Accord. Okay. That's different. Maybe a typo. Then you look at all the way to the right on annual sales. Look at Volkswagen, which owns Audi, Bentley, Bugatti, Lambo, and Volkswagen, and it says they earn $500,000 a year. Are you serious? What do they sell? One Bugatti every 6 years?
A little tip, when you have your drip pan, have it near the back rear of the transmission pan, furthest part away from you, because that's where most of the fluid's going to come out, and that's where I got it all over the floor, but that's okay. That's why we have kitty litter, dry sweep, whatever you use. That way you can get that cleaned up.
When is the last time you have checked your timing chain? Most auto manufacturers say 80,000 to 120,000 miles, you should check the chain. Although 80,000 to 120,000 miles can range from 2 to 3 years, since the average mileage driven in the United States is 15,000 miles per year. That is a big gamble with a heavy-duty chain rotating hundreds of times per minute around your engine. Check your timing chain today and save yourself the heartache of needing a new engine. Follow for daily auto content. Are you getting this terrible grinding noise when your engine is running? It's time to diagnose one of those pulleys. The bearings are bad. On this Jeep Grand Cherokee, it was the idler pulley that was the problem. Easy fix and back on the road. Thanks for watching. Are you having battery problems? Is your battery not holding a charge? What you need is a load test, and with this digital load tester, it makes the job super easy. After selecting the voltage of the battery and connecting the battery leads to the positive and negative side of the battery, you need to select the CCA of the battery. If you do not know this, you can find it on the top of the battery. This load tester does do 6, 12, and 24 volt batteries. Make sure you test your battery properly with a load tester. Get yours in the link in the video description found
Hey guys,
below.
there you have it, 10 quick yet vital car care tips that you need to know. We actually put these car care tips out on a daily basis on YouTube with the Shorts program, so definitely make sure you stay tuned for that. Smash the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like today's video and you found those tips to be vital and knowledgeable as well. Thank you so much, guys, for your continued support, and until next time, keep on wrenching, guys. Take care.